revise the concepts, what and all you guys learned till today. Okay.
Yeah.
So functional testing, uh, definition. What do you mean by thorough rigorous testing? What is requirement? How to fetch the requirement? How to write the scenarios? And for the components. And one more thing is test cases, how to write. I have given simple idea. Okay. So now let us go with the integration testing. Okay.
Okay.
So integration testing.
We cannot see your screen, sir.
Yeah, still not shared. Put up 1 second. Okay. I think now it is visible, no?
Yes.
Okay. So I will take an example. Okay. Okay. Here. Okay. So this is a login page, right?
Yes.
And we have already tested this. Yes or no?
Yes.
How we
Yeah.
tested?
We also use Rediff mail, sir.
Rediff may leave, that is just an example, but you guys tested how to do the testing for login page now.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah. Yep.
So without requirement, can you test?
No.
No.
With requirement, can you test?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. So you have a requirement and you have tested that already. Now, once after logging in, you will get some page called as home page, where in a home page, amount transfer, amount balance, transactions, loans. Next, what is there? Let me take OD. Logout. Let me consider. Okay. These are the things are present in the home page. I am clicked on amount transfer button. So if I click on amount transfer button, amount transfer page is displayed. Which testing? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. If I click on amount transfer page is displayed. Which testing?
Okay.
Okay, no. Answer.
Component testing. Functional
Component
testing.
testing means
If checking each and every component of an application vigorously and thoroughly.
is called as
Functional testing.
thoroughly rigorously. How will you test? According to the requirement.
Yes, according to the requirement and against the requirement.
Or.
Or.
Okay. So that is what your functional testing, no?
Yes.
So okay, so there is some requirement for username. There is some requirement for password. There is some requirement for login. There is requirement for cancel. Understood? So
Okay.
Yes.
8 to 15 alphabets, 10 to or 4 to 8 characters. Okay, login button, cancel button.
Yes.
So how can you validate username and password means in the sign up button, there will be something called as username and password. Yes or no? Username may be login mail ID. Password will be password. Okay.
Yes.
Whatever you have created previously, that you will enter here. Okay. So let me take an example. www. One second. Okay. When I open the browser and enter the URL www. Tell me one good bank in USA.
Wells Fargo.
Huh?
Wells Fargo.
Wells
Fargo. Fargo.
Fargo. Correct?
Yep.
.com. Okay. This is the company. Wells Fargo. This is the company. So my mom is disturbing here. That is the thing. Okay.
No problem.
Wellfargo.com. Here I open the browser, enter the URL. Okay. First step, what I need to do, open the browser. And enter the URL. As soon as I am doing this, as soon as I am doing this, I will get something called as login page. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yesterday you guys seen.
Yes.
So, sir, for banking pages, there will be any sign up button? You may ask this question.
What? Sign in button?
Sign up.
Sign up
How
button?
it means your first name, last name, username, and all you need to enter, or it is already there. I mean, you are already created that in a bank, and just you are trying to log in. What is the procedure? My question is, can you log into the application or log into the application, or can you sign up to the application? It means, did your bank given you authority to create your account by yourself? Bank
Yeah.
account? Can you create?
Yeah,
Yes.
after login on the website. Yeah.
After logging on a website, how it is possible? For login only, you need something, no, to create some username, password, something should record, right? Or your basic details.
Oh, okay. You're talking about if there is a no option to create the account? That's what
Yeah.
you're talking about, sir?
No, it
Okay.
is there in US, I am asking. Because here, if you want to create an account, what you need to do, you need to go for bank and you need to open an account. Okay. So in US, I'm asking you, is there any possibility that by downloading the application in your mobile or laptop, can
Yeah,
you
there
create the
are
account?
options. Yeah,
Okay.
you can.
Yes.
Mhm.
Yep.
Okay.
You can do both online and
Okay.
in person as well.
Okay. Good. So www.wells fargo.com is a URL. I entered, I got this login page. Username I have tested thoroughly, rigorously. It is working fine. Password I have tested thoroughly, rigorously, working fine. Login button, I entered wrong details and clicked on login. It showed error message. Later I entered valid details. I clicked on login. It is working fine. I entered cancel button. Whatever the entered data was there, it got vanished. And without entering any data, I clicked on cancel. I'm just checked thoroughly, rigorously, cancel button, login button, and all. Later, once I got username, password valid, I will log in. So home page will display. So to check that, when user enter is valid username and password, click on login button. Home page should be displayed. Which testing?
It's functional testing, sir.
Functional testing?
Components.
Component testing.
Component testing.
Component, functional, both are the same. There is no difference. So you are telling this is as a functional testing, no? Okay, keep it in your mind. Let us talk about later. Okay, there is a home page. I am clicking on amount transfer. Let me consider this as a button. Okay, this is one of the button. This is one of the button. This is one of the button. So as soon as I click on amount transfer button, for me amount transfer page is displayed. Which testing? Fast. Okay, good night. Tell something, no? If I click on
functional
amount
testing.
Functional testing,
Yeah.
Sure?
Yeah.
Yes, correct. Tell no. If I click on, to check that when user click on amount balance button, amount balance page should be displayed. Which testing?
Functional testing.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yes, that's the functionality of that button.
Yes. If I click on transactions page should be displayed. Which testing?
Functional.
Loans button, loans page should be displayed. Which testing?
Functional.
Clicked on OD button, loans page is displayed. Which testing?
Functional.
Testing.
Clicked on OD button, loans page is displayed. Which testing?
Oh, wait a minute. OD button. What is OD, sir?
Overdraft.
Overdraft. Okay.
We don't see that here. That's why.
Yeah. Okay.
Prerna, sorry.
Yeah. Okay.
To check that when user click on OD button, loans page is displayed. Which testing? It is functional testing only, but it is a defect.
Yes, I was thinking that. Yeah.
What thinking?
Okay.
That much time is required. If you click on this one, this page is displaying. Defect, no?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Both of you are in mood of sleep. I understood.
No, sir. I was afraid to say defect.
As a test engineer, you should never afraid. Okay. Then how will you catch the defects in company? I am feeling difficulty to catch the defect. I'm afraid of developer, like that he will do. Okay. So let us come back to the topic now. Next, from account number is there. There is some requirement for from account number, like from account number should be the account number of the sender. Sender means who is transferring the amount? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah.
And to account number will be the account of receiver. Okay.
Yeah.
And requirement says that from account number and to account number, RECIVER, no? Okay. From account number to account number should be never be the same. Yes or no? Can you transfer amount to your account 2 times? So what I will do, I will enter 1,000 rupees here, 1,000 rupees here. same account. Transferring means it is of no use, no same account, same amount you are transferring or something like that. So waste. So amount button is there. For amount, not button, text field, the requirement says it should accept 10 to 50,000. This we already tested, I think. Yes or no?
Yes.
That day we have tested no types of functional testing.
Yes.
So thoroughly tested, it means functional testing is done for from account number, to account number, amount, transfer button, cancel button. My question is, once after completely doing the functional testing, later we will do the integration testing. Okay? Got it?
Yes.
Or once after few modules are ready.
Okay.
Few modules are ready and functional testing has been completed for few modules. Modules means what, sir? See, amount transfer is one of the module. Amount balance is one of the module. Login is one of the module. Transaction is one of the module. Sir, what do you mean by that? Means amount transfer is having some components. Some components included in one of the page is called as module, you can tell.
Okay.
Got it? So transaction may be having some data, so we will call it as a module, or we will call it as a feature. What we'll call? Feature or module. Got it? So login is a feature or module. Home page is a feature. Amount transfer is a feature. Amount balance is a feature. Transactions is a feature. Loans is a feature. OD is a feature. Logout is a feature. Now, my amount transfer, amount balance modules are ready. Transactions are so ready. Okay. See here. Amount transfer, amount balance, transactions is ready. Loans, OD, logout, still coding is not completed. But still I can go for my integration testing because few modules are ready. 1, 2, 3, few modules are ready. So I can go for my integration testing. Okay. So what I will do, I will enter the user A's, user A, username. I mean user is from account number, and I will enter user B's to account number. It means user A's account number as a sender account, user B as a receiver account. Okay. I will enter the amount. Let me take 1,000 rupees. Okay. 1,000 rupees. Click on transfer button. As soon as I click on transfer button, always you will get something called as confirmation message. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you transfer some amount transferred successfully to some person name, you will get no. That is what we will call it as a confirmation message. So you have transferred amount to user B's account. What is the guarantee that user B is received the amount? Based on confirmation message, or can you decide? Can you decide based on the confirmation message that the amount is transferred?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, you guys are thinking from end user point of view. I am teaching as a test engineer point of view. As a test engineer, you should not assume anything. I told you many times. Based on confirmation message, are you deciding that the amount is transferred?
No.
For engineer point of view, no. But for
You are-
regular people, like I transfer the money, I get the confirmation message that person received. So
you are not a end user in my class. Okay.
agree.
You are a test engineer in my class, and you are a test engineer student in my class. And you should have many doubts. While I am teaching, what I am doing, I am only creating doubt. But still you guys are not asking. Aha. Speak, no something.
Yes, sir. Sir, this is a new
Huh?
concept. It is a
New
new concept, so
concept.
we are
So,
actually understanding each and every piece of
yes,
it.
yes.
Yes.
That is my skills.
Yes, sir.
What is your skill? You should ask me cross questions. No, it's okay, fine, no worries. Let me guide you. Later you will understand. From account number I entered, to account number I entered, amount I entered, click on transfer button. So I got a confirmation message. So am I sure that my amount is transferred to user B? That is my question. As a test engineer, you should not assume that the software is working fine. This is also assumption, okay? So what I will do, how you can test that the amount is transferred? You just go, there was a 20,000 rupees in your account. Now you transferred how much?
1,000.
1,000. If you minus 1,000, how much?
19,000.
19,000 should be there, no?
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it. If the 19,000 is present in my account, then I can tell that the transaction is done. This module is working fine.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Or I will go to my transactions. In transactions, it will show minus 1,000 rupees debited to. It will tell the to account number, user, whatever is name, user B. Got it. User B is received 1,000 rupees from user A's account, something like that. The transaction history will be there. Understood. Later, I can confirm myself that yes, the amount is transferred. Okay.
Yes.
Here, the amount will be a data. What is this?
Data.
Data or data, whatever you will call. From account number is also a data, to account number is also a data. Okay. What I have done is testing the data flow. What is this? Data flow. Flow means what? From my account to somebody's account, data is flowing, no?
Yes,
Testing
sir.
what I'm doing, I'm just testing the data flow between two or more modules. Two or more modules means what? This is one of the module and this is one of the module. Two modules and two or more modules means in the transaction also some changes has been done, right? If you
Yes.
transfer the amount, that amount balance also it is debited and also transactions also created. Yes or no?
Yes.
So we will call it as a integration testing. Okay. Testing the data flow between the two or more modules is called as what?
Integration testing.
Integration testing. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah.
Data flow is also having one more name called as interface. Okay. So now see, as soon as few modules are ready, see, listen to my words. As soon as few modules are ready, okay, where there is some connection between the modules. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Then only I can go for integration testing. Integration testing can be done whenever the dependency modules are ready. What we will call technical word? Dependency modules. It's basically, I am a man. Whenever the woman is there, then I can love. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or two men are there here. Loans is one of the men. Amount transfer is one of the men. Can do anything? Not possible. Amount transfer is there. Amount balance is there. Male is there. Female is there. At least you can marry or you can love. Got it? It means I am depending upon girl, girl is depending upon me. That is dependency.
Mm-hmm.
So that is what I'm talking. So when two males are there, there is no data flow, and that will be not considered as a integration testing. You can't do the integration testing.
Okay.
Whenever the few modules are ready, the modules which is having a dependency, then I can go for the integration testing or data flow testing or interface testing. So
Mm-hmm.
testing the data flow between amount transfer, amount balance, and transactions is called as integration testing.
Yes.
Okay.
So, sir, then I will transfer some amount. I will check in amount balance and transactions. Can I tell my testing is done, sir? Can I tell testing is done? Of
No.
integration,
No.
of integration.
No.
No.
Why?
Well, I think it should be done because the way, sir, you have explained before that from 20,000, if you have transferred 1,000, so 19,000 is the balance. Same way, we can look up in the page which says home page. We can still see that what is the amount balance after the transfer.
Yeah, that you can see in amount balance and also in transactions. I'm telling you, this
Yeah.
is tested, this is tested, this is tested.
Yeah.
So can I tell that my software testing is done? This is what my question again.
But I think you still have to test the loans and log out and all that, right?
I am talking about amount transfer. I
Okay.
told this is men, don't worry. Men and
Okay.
women you talk.
I think you have to parallelly also see the next web page, which is the amount transfer. You have to also see where the transfer is going.
It means tell specifically.
It is integration testing, where the data is flowing.
Where I need to test, where I need to test.
You have to test on amount transfer page as well.
How? Amount transfer page, if I again click no, after transferring amount, new page will open where from account number to account number amount will be empty.
Uh-huh.
Simple logic, so not logic also.
Okay, sender and receiver.
Sender and receiver should be there, or else how can you transfer the amount? Another 1 minute. Think fast. I think somebody's clock is going, and my mind is also tuck 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 tuck.
No, it's not on my end, sir. Reena, might be yours. Okay.
And the seconds also very fast, like a heartbeat. Tuck 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 tuck. Okay, don't think that, now think this. Hey, see here. Reena transferred amount to Prerna. Reena checked her amount balance page. Some amount is debited. She checked transactions. Some amount is transferred. Prerna after 2 days called Reena. Reena, can you send my amount once again? Can you send my amount? Not once again. Only she called for amount. Hey, Reena, you have taken $1,000 from my side. No.
Yes.
You told within 2 days you will return. Please share it or please send it. Reena will be like, hey, Prerna, already I shared you 2 days ago. Prerna is, what are you speaking, ma? Where is the amount? Don't lie. Reena will take the screenshot of his amount balance or transactions. Transactions will be best, no? She will take the screenshot and she will share to Prerna.
Mm-hmm.
Prerna check in WhatsApp.
Mm-hmm.
Amount transferred $1,000.
Mm-hmm.
You can see. Later, Prerna went to her amount balance or her transactions. There is no
Mm-hmm.
data.
Okay.
There is no data that is showing that she is received from Reena. She will take
Mm-hmm.
this screenshot and she will
Mm-hmm.
share to the Reena.
Mm.
Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Now the Prerna having a trust issues on Reena. Reena is having a trust issues between the Prerna.
Mm-hmm.
And they are friends from LKG,
Mm-hmm.
lower kindergarten.
Mm-hmm.
But still, when it comes to money point of view, okay,
Mm-hmm.
the relationships will end.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. If I take
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
one more example, there is a rowdy fellow, there is a poor
Mm-hmm.
fellow. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
RP, good. Okay. Rowdy, rowdy fellow shared 1,000 rupees for poor fellow and told that next month you should receive, you should send me back the amount or else I will kill you. Direct warning. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So poor fellow, what he's done is worked hard for 1 month and is segregated $1,000 and he shared that to him and he is happy. He's happy
Mm-hmm.
that he shared his amount. Later, rowdy
Mm-hmm.
fellows and their gang came.
Mm-hmm.
They have taken one gun and they shot
Mm-hmm.
him for death.
Mm-hmm.
He went for Yamadharma Raja.
Mm-hmm.
He asked Yama, that fellow, hey boss, see, I worked in a paddy field for 1 month. Day and night hard work I have done, and I earned my $1,000 and I shared to this rowdy, but still he killed me. I don't know what is the reason.
Mm-hmm.
That time. That
Mm-hmm.
time, Yamadharma Raja opens is some invisible display
Mm-hmm.
where where it will show Prerana and Reena's photo standing there.
Mm-hmm.
See, these are the test engineers. They have tested your software where
Mm-hmm.
they have
Mm-hmm.
tested only one end, another end they have not tested. So whatever the amount is transferred, that is displaying
Mm-hmm.
here. But whatever the
Mm-hmm.
amount is received, no, that is not
Mm-hmm.
displaying. They have not done the testing properly. You don't worry.
Mm-hmm.
Next Astra I will throw to them, so I will get them to hell. So you kill them here.
Mm-hmm.
So as a test engineer, you are dead because you are not tested the software properly.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now you understood the story.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Both of you. Now tell me
Yes.
what I need to do. Is my testing completely tested or not?
Not.
Why?
Because we have to make sure that the receiver also receives it, and just not the sender is sending it.
Yes.
Has to be.
So log in as user A,
Mm-hmm.
navigate to amount transfer, send amount to user B.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Log out as user A,
Mm-hmm.
log in as user B,
Mm-hmm.
go to amount balance, check whether the proper amount is displayed.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yes.
Here I am not used the word called as should be. Should be means I am not sure.
Mm-hmm.
Proper amount is displayed means it should be displayed because 1,000 rupees I sent, 1,000 rupees should be there.
Mm-hmm.
Must be there. So I will not use the word called as should be. But in a
Mm-hmm.
functional testing, I don't
Mm-hmm.
know whether my component will accept or not.
Mm-hmm.
So I have mentioned the should be. So let me guide you with one scenario now.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Integration scenario.
Sir, one request.
Yes.
Remember other day you said you do have all the definitions written down. Yeah. Is there any way you can share those?
Yes, but only definition I have given no here. Testing the data flow or interface between two or more modules. This is only
Yeah.
definition. So what you are expecting is, sir, can you give me the scenarios also as a book or what? Scenarios
no,
you
no,
should
no,
learn
no.
here only.
No, sir. Other day you said you have some syllabus,
Yes,
definition
I have,
syllabus. Yeah,
but now
I'm talking
I
about
think,
that.
yeah. Now, as per this concept, you need any guide? No, right? So in the
Uh,
future classes, there will be many testings. So if you
okay.
ask Prerana, we have done something called as performance testing.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir, no, Prerana.
Yes, sir.
So that time I have given you so much notes
Yes.
because that is a theoretical concept.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is a experimental. Okay.
Oh, okay,
So
sir.
here notes will be less, knowledge will be more. So
Okay.
only this definition is only the thing. Okay. And dependency is the word you should use. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Got
So
it.
let us go
Got
with
it.
the integration scenario. Login as user A, navigate to amount amount transfer. Okay.
mm-hmm.
Enter the valid from account number. Okay. And to account number and amount. Yes or no?
Yes.
And
Yeah.
see guys, default from account number will be your account number.
Yeah.
But I'm considering that also is different. Okay. It is my application, my requirement. I'm thinking however I want. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Enter the valid from account number and to account number and
Mm-hmm.
amount and click on what button? Transfer
Mm-hmm.
button.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Click on transfer button.
Mm-hmm.
What should be displayed? Confirmation message should be. So still here, if you write the scenario, still here, if you write the scenario,
Mm-hmm. Should be.
can you tell it is a functional or integration?
Partly functional, we can say, and partly integration also, because you are using the term user A.
So what?
So to navigate to amount transfer and click on transfer button. But it looks like functional more than integration.
Yeah.
There is no integration here. I am checking the transfer button. How can you test the transfer button means I need to log in first and I need to go for amount transfer. I need to enter from account number to account number and amount.
Yeah.
I need to check the functionality of my transfer button.
Transfer
Yes or
button.
no?
Yeah.
So
Yes,
I clicked on that one. Confirmation message is displaying. It means my transfer button is working fine because I have entered the valid from account number to account number and amount.
Yes.
Same, no? Valid from account
The
number to
valid.
account number amount. So
Correct.
transfer button, I click the confirmation
Yes.
message
Yes.
should be displayed. So I can tell this is a
Functional
functional testing.
testing.
Functional.
Yeah.
But I'm not stopping here. Okay. So next scenario says confirmation message should be displayed. Navigate to amount balance. Check whether the valid amount is displayed. Valid balance amount. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Whether check whether the valid balance amount is displayed. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So what you are doing, you are transferred the amount and you went to the amount balance and you are checking the amount. It means
balance. Yeah.
so amount, let me take in a bracket. I have transferred the 1,000 rupees. Okay, and click on transfer button. Navigate to check balance, amount balance. Assume I had a 20,000 in my account. Okay. How much I had?
20,000.
Note 20,000. What is this?
Dollars.
Amount balance.
Diamond balance.
You are telling me that, sir, dollars, sir, you are earning in rupees, sir, dollars, like that, huh?
Sir, one day.
One day, no,
Yes.
one day, because US people will not allow Indians, no, more Indians.
Oh.
I think there are some restrictions of job criteria and all. Maybe I
Oh.
don't know.
Okay.
Maybe UAE is planned that the same. Like many Indians are migrated to UAE. It means
Yes.
Abu Dhabi, Dubai, and all. So they
Yeah.
have restricted few things. I mean, for
Oh.
some concern of 10% or 20% like that. Okay.
Okay.
So navigate to amount balance and check whether the valid balance amount should be displayed. So valid amount balance should be how much per transfer under
19,000.
19,000. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So this is what I will tell my data is transferred. So my integration testing is passed.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So this is my first scenario. Second scenario, can you tell?
Now we can write this same scenario from user B point of view, sir.
How?
Login as user B, navigate to amount received. Is that a module in that? I have to confirm
Yeah,
that.
yes,
Okay.
yes. Same application, no.
Amount received.
Amount received, no.
Yeah.
Amount balance or transactions.
Okay. Or yeah. Okay. Navigate to transactions, and then if you can scroll up, sir, then I can. Yeah. Navigate to navigate to transaction. Enter the valid. What is FAN from?
Account number.
Yeah. Enter the valid from FAN and TAN, and click on the transaction or click on the balance button instead of transaction button. Confirmation message should be displayed, and then navigate to amount balance. Check whether the balance has been received and displayed.
Okay. Received and displayed.
Yes.
Received is different, displayed is different.
Yeah.
Received means it is displayed only, no?
Like,
Okay.
sir, in yeah, in
You are
like
seeing
our
and confirming. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
yeah,
Fine.
correct.
Good.
Yeah.
So that
it's
is
going to be only received, right? Not displayed.
Yeah. Yeah. Anything is fine. Displayed means you are
Actually,
saying. Received means received. Both are
sir,
same. Don't
actually,
worry.
the bank account that we are using, on the left side, there is a description from where it is coming, like what it is coming from, the
That
source.
is transactions. That is transactions.
Okay. Okay. And
Okay.
on the right
So
is the balance. Yeah.
so
Yeah.
login as user A, navigate to amount transfer, enter valid from account number
Mm-hmm.
and to account number. In a bracket, I'm mentioning user B. Okay.
Okay.
Why user B means it may be any user, no? I'm
Yeah.
transferring. So it should be specific. And
Yes.
amount. For every scenario, no need of writing all this. I'm just for teaching purpose, I'm writing this. And amount and click on transfer button. Actually, you should not mention the data in the scenario. That also I will tell. Okay. This is for your understanding. And click on transfer button. Confirmation message should be displayed, or confirmation message is displayed. Anything is fine. Okay. Later, what you need to do, log out as user A. Sir, why I need to log out, sir? Because as a test engineer, you will be having only one laptop or only one mobile phone while doing testing.
Yeah.
They will not give you 2 or 3 or 4 mobiles to test amount transfer or something. So if you want to test WhatsApp group, no, what you need to do, you have created 4 members group. So do you want 4 mobiles to send message and check whether it is received in another mobiles?
No.
No, understood. So create a
Yeah.
group in one mobile and log out, log in as some user B, user C, user D and check. Got it? Like that.
Yeah.
Log out as user A. Now I have done log out. Next, log in as user B. Okay. Navigate or travel or goes to something. Okay, navigate. I will use navigate every time. Okay, navigate to amount balance. Check whether the proper balance amount is displayed. Yes or no?
Yes.
You understood my scenario?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So here I am telling where I am transferring the data. Always you should mention data from where to where it is traveling. That completely involved and completely called as one scenario. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah.
So I am checked in amount balance where I'm checked amount balance module I'm checked. Same scenario, transactions I will check. Check whether the proper valid balance, check whether the valid transaction history is displayed. Okay. Same I will do. I navigate to where? Check amount balance. No, amount balance I navigated. In user B, amount balance I can check, or also I can check in the transactions. Got it? It means from amount transfer, the data is moved to amount balance and also transactions. Two scenarios. Here also it should be there, here also it is. So as a test engineer, you should cover all the data flows for each and every module. It means from A, let me take amount transfer is a module. Okay, A to B module, C module, if there is a data flow, you have tested, but you don't know whether there is a data flow between A to D module. If the requirement is not mentioned, means you should not test. If it is there, you can test for. It means I'm telling you from one module, whatever the data flows is happening, all the modules you have to test. Got it? So that is what my integration testing will test. Testing the data flow between two or more modules. More modules means includes many modules also. Is called as integration testing. So I have written one scenario. You can write one more scenario of transactions. Okay. And log out as user B, user A, login as user B. I have checked for again for amount balance. You can write for the transactions. It means, can I tell 4 positive scenarios I can cover? Hey, 4 data flows happen, no?
Yes.
One is from here to here, 2 is
Correct.
from here to here, and
Correct.
3 is from user A's amount transfer to amount balance. And 4th will be amount transfer to transactions of user B. It means, can I tell I have covered 1 or more modules?
Yes.
Yeah.
2 or more modules, yes or no?
Yes.
So this
Yes,
is
sir.
what my rule says, that you have to test the data flow between all the modules from the module where the data is transferring. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now you just write it, okay? Instead of taking screenshot, now only write, so that you will get some questions. Take a time and write. Write. Okay. First write down heading integration testing or integration testing or data flow testing or interface testing.
So, sir, with that said, all the modules on a single page will always be connected to each other, correct?
If it is connected, then you have to test. That is there in the requirement.
Okay.
If it is not connected, no need of testing.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So these are the positive scenarios. Write down. Later I will teach you negative. That time you will get a full clarity.
Okay.
So you want us to write the whole
Yes.
box, right?
So first write down this one. Later write down the definition. Testing the data flow or interface or else you just take the screenshot. Wait, I will mention 1, 2, in the same order you write 3. For these things you leave 1 page. Okay. Later you just copy down the scenarios. This one you write.
Okay.
This one you write. Okay. Later
Yeah.
leave the same space for writing another scenario. Yes or no?
Yes.
What scenario? Check. Go to transactions. Check whether the proper transaction amount is displayed. Okay. That you write. Same way you copy this one after leaving some space. Again write this down. Later leave some space to write one more scenario. That you do. These two you write down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Done.
Huh? It's much fast. 2 scenarios.
2 scenarios are done.
Rina done pa?
Almost.
Did you left some space to write one more scenario?
In between.
Yeah. I
No,
told
sir.
no, you have tested for amount balance, so you need to write for transactions. No,
Okay, I was copying it. Okay.
you write space. Here also leave some space because you need to check for the transactions.
Transactions. Okay, okay.
Okay. Done? Okay. Now let us go for positive. There were 4, I think. I think no. Sure, I'm sure because from here to here the data should transfer. From here to here the data should transfer. And from user base also from amount transfer of user A to amount balance of user B and transactions of user B.
Yes.
So this is what my positive functional testing, positive integration testing, not functional testing. Okay. Now negative, I need to test. Okay. So I told you there is one universal negative scenario. Can anyone tell?
So the internet being disabled?
Yes. So what I'll do, I will do like this. Delete karanga. Okay. Now tell me.
Yeah.
Yes. Confirmation message is displayed. Okay. So if you log in as user A, navigate to the amount transfer. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah.
And what you are doing? Navigate to amount transfer. What you are doing? Entering the valid
And
from account number to account number amount and click on transfer button. Confirmation message is displayed. So I know that the amount should transfer from amount transfer to amount balance. It means I know already that username text field will accept only alphabets. Positive testing I have
Yeah.
done.
yeah,
Am I stopped there only?
No.
no.
What I have done, I entered special characters also and also I entered some characters. Yes or no?
Yes.
It means I entered some negative inputs. My requirement is telling that amount transfer, amount balance, transactions, you check.
Yeah.
Checked. But negative, what I
Yes.
can do, I have transferred the amount. So what I will do, navigate to OD. Okay. Check whether proper balance amount is displayed. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
So if I click on OD, there is some transaction it is showing here. Because the same transaction module only they have written the code over here, okay? Or while they're doing integration, see the developer should write the integration code between the modules. Okay, what they need to do? They need to write the integration code between the modules. From module A to module B, there is a code where it will integrate. Got it?
Yeah.
There is some logic. See, I don't know as per the developer point of view, but one module to one module link is there. No, A
Correct.
to B there is a link. A to C there is a link. But A to D and E there was no link. But still, developer is written some code such a way that the data is transferring to A to E. Assume you have not tested that. Not tested. What is similar to loan? Okay. What is similar to loan? You have launched the application. You transfer 10,000 rupees for one of the person. It is went and debited 10,000 rupees as the amount balance. It means minus 10,000. Same no. In OD also it is showing minus 10,000. Minus 10,000 means what? You are taken the loan, boss.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
Same minus 10,000 is showing. How it is possible? If you transfer the amount, no, your amount, how it is considering it as a loan? Possibilities are there or not?
Yes, there are.
So you are not tested whether the data I have transferred from module A, it went for B and C I have tested, but it is not went for loans and OD. That also is my responsibility to test.
Okay.
Okay, the data is not flowed for any other modules apart from these two modules. That also I need to test. Yes or no?
Okay. Yes,
So
sir.
what I will do, I am doing the same thing. So log in as user A, navigate to amount transfer, enter the valid from account number to account number and amount, and click on transfer button. Confirmation message should be displayed. Till here, same. Navigate to OD. Check whether the proper balance amount is displayed. Proper balance amount for OD is what? Now 0 rupees. Because I have not taken any loan, no. So OD amount should be 0. Assume if it is showing you minus 1,000 rupees, then we will call it as a defect.
Oh, okay.
As soon as you find a defect, what you need to do?
We have to report
Test
this to
it.
the developer.
Yeah, you should communicate to the developer. Developer, what he will do?
He will go to the source code and then change the code and then
Analyze
do
the
white
code,
box testing.
Find the defect, fix the defect,
analyze, find the defect, fix the defect, do white box testing, compile and compress the code, and then upload it on the testing.
Give to test
Yes, upload it
engineers.
on the the
No.
test engineer.
Test
The test
engineer
engineer will delete the
uninstall the
old
old software and
uninstall and then install the new software and then
test the defect first. It means do the
Okay,
same thing. After doing the same thing, you got 0 rupees. It means the defect is fixed.
Yeah.
This is not a immediate negative scenario. This is not immediately first negative scenario. No, you can take some fourth or fifth. So let me take the first negative scenario. Okay. Negative. Second negative scenario. Okay. Login as user A. Okay. Navigate to where? Amount transfer. Enter valid
FAN
and invalid TAN. Okay.
Okay.
And click on amount transfer button.
Okay.
Proper error message is displayed or should be displayed. Why I'm mentioning is displayed is I already tested my 2 account number where it will not accept invalid. Okay, so I will get the error message. I am guessing that. So I am telling that it is displayed. So if you have clarity, then you should mention is displayed. If you do not have the clarity, you can mention should be displayed. Okay. Proper error message is displayed. Error message displayed. It means okay, sir, error message is displayed. Then I am sure that the amount is not transferred. Is there anything like that? Understanding?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
error message is displayed, no? Then obviously the amount is not transferred. Can you think like that? Because you are not a end user yet. End user means obviously the testing is done. So error message means amount is not transferred. But as a test engineer, you need to check whether the amount is transferred or not. This is my negative. Okay. So what I will do? Navigate to where? Amount balance. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Check whether proper balance amount is displayed. It means what, sir? It means my 20,000 should only display. Yes or no?
Correct, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Assume if it is showing 19,000, but 1,000 is went for some account where it is not exist. The account only not there. 2 account number I entered invalid. No, but still amount is debited. I am not tested this while doing functional testing. And developers are not gods to solve everything. Or developers are not thinking from this point of view as well. So when you think this type of creative scenarios, this is only we'll call it as error guessing. I guessed the error. If I enter some 2 account numbers some invalid and I will transfer the amount, error message I will get somewhat, but still I will go and I will check in the amount balance. If proper amount is displayed, this is my negative testing pass. Negative testing should be pass. Got it? Understanding whatever I'm telling? So negative testing should pass. Pass in the sense the same 20,000 amount should be displayed. If it is displaying 19,000, no, then I can call it as a defect. Understood?
Yeah.
Not understood.
Yes. Sir, actually, the account number, like the invalid account number that we are putting in this negative scenario, I am thinking it in terms of two meanings. Two meanings I'm thinking of. One is that it is not sent to the correct person. So maybe, we have mismatched the account number. And
Here,
second
what I'm
is,
mentioning. Here I am
yeah,
what I'm mentioning.
invalid.
Invalid means invalid. As a test
So,
engineer, you should not assume.
there is no such account number.
No,
That is
no, no
invalid.
account number. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So you understood, na?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So let me come to your scenario now.
Mm-hmm.
Third negative. This is also negative, but how to write the scenario? Let me teach.
Okay. Okay.
Same go. Copy. Control V. Okay. Log in as user A. Navigate to amount transfer. Enter valid from account number and valid to account number, or from and to, same, valid from account number and to account number of user C.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
For
sir.
whom you are transferring for user C.
Yeah.
And click on amount transfer button. What will be display? Confirmation message will display, yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Message is displayed, or confirmation message should be displayed. Okay.
Yeah.
Now log out as user
Okay.
A and log in
Login
as user
B.
yes, user B.
Hmm.
Where is B? Here is B.
Hmm.
And navigate to amount balance. Check whether the proper balance amount is displayed. So user C balance amount should be 0. Why?
Because he did not
Because it's
receive it to user C.
1 second. Click on amount transfer from account number invalid to account number and enter some amount. Enter amount. I need to add. See, completely you should write. Enter the amount. I missed this. Okay. After entering the amount, no, you can transfer.
Yes.
See, and click on amount transfer button and enter the amount. I think you guys are with me.
Yes, sir.
Understanding. Okay.
Yeah.
Click on amount transfer button. So after clicking on amount transfer button, confirmation message. It means user B account is there. So it is showing some positive message only. Amount is transferred. Okay. So you are logging out as user A. See, it is purely, I'm telling, Prerna is thinking she's transferring amount to Reena, but she transferred to Narsimha.
Yes.
Okay. But she is going into the Reena account and she is checking that. How it is possible? Hey, that is the logic, but it is negative. No, this is what you are creatively thinking. No.
Yes.
Understood?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now next scenario, let me take an example. I will log in as user A. I will navigate to amount transfer. I will enter from account number also valid, to account number also valid.
Okay.
But I will enter the amount as invalid. Got it?
Okay.
I will click on something. So I will get the error message. So after getting the error message, can I tell my testing is pass? No. Because I don't know. See, sometimes 50,000 only limit. I transferred 80,000. Let me take an example. But it is transferred. Because developer made a mistake in while writing the logical code. So what I'm supposed to say is, when you have not tested my amount transfer properly, but the defect you can catch while doing integration testing as well. Because while doing functional testing, you are not tested the amount button properly. Got it? It means it should accept 10 to 50,000. Let me take. But developer made a mistake of logical code. it is accepting more than 50,000 also.
Okay.
So what I'll do while doing functional testing, I was very busy, so I just skipped that. And it was in my mind, so let me test while doing the integration testing. I have added the 51,000 rupees and transferred, and the amount is transferred. Instead of getting the error message, I got a confirmation message, and I went and I checked in user B account, and user B account also 51,000 is received. How it is possible? According to my Indian government policy, you can transfer per transaction 5 lakhs. Let me take an example. First it was 50,000, now they have made it as 5 lakhs. Now I have transferred 8 lakhs, but it is transferred means, so taxes and all will need to debit, no? That and all is
Right.
not debited. So it will affect my government. So government feel that my bank is a fraud bank. So they will cancel the license. So one small mistake will cause a big impact. So everything you need to plan. So how creatively I am thinking, you understood, right? So
Yes.
what I'm telling, I'm just doing this. From account number, I will enter wrong. To account number, I will enter good, correct one. Amount also I will enter correctly. Transfer. I will go to amount balance and I will check. So it should be, there should not be any transaction, okay? Because from account number only wrong means from your account only you are not in, see what I'll do. Rena's account is there. Rena is the from account user. What I'll do, Prerna account number I will enter. Prerna is doing this. There are hackers or cheating people are there. Let me consider Prerna is a big hacker. What she is doing? From account number, Reena is having $10,000 in our account. Okay, I got it. So I got her account number also. I will log in as Prerna only, but still I am entering the Reena's from account number, Prerna's to account number, transferring amount. Without getting access of user B only, I am transferring amount from user B to user A. Chances are there, no hackers can do anything. But
Yes,
as
sir.
a test engineer, you need to test that, no? So from account number means always your account number. So I will enter invalid and I will check. Or I will enter user A's account number in from account number, user B's account number in to account number. Instead of that, I will change. So user B's account number in first, what is that? From account number, and user A's account number as a to account number. Enter valid amount, click on transfer. Error message will 100% display. But I'm not depending upon error message. I'm going and I'm checking in another module. Testing the data flow, whether it is happened or not happened, I don't know. But still I'm going and I'm testing that. Sir, every time if I want to do that, no, it is like a, see, there are 100 modules are there. So only 3 modules are, the data is transferring. So another 97 modules are waste. I mean, it is not depending upon those modules. Can I need to test? No, not 97 also. 1 or 2 or 3 you check. Randomly check. Okay, not all.
Yeah. Okay.
Do negative testing and check, because you can't trust the developer. That is my point. Next, enter the to account number wrong and check, and enter the account number of B and log out as A, log in as a C instead of B. Check. Okay, that is what you told. Okay,
Yes, sir.
this is also negative. And I am checking in another modules. This is also negative. So user, you are sending to one of the user and you are checking in another users. That is also negative.
Yes.
And transferring with one module to another module, but you are checking in a module which is not depending on that particular module. That also is called as negative. And entering some invalid data and you are checking, that is also a negative.
Correct.
So I can write more negative scenarios. That is my point. Like a functional testing, I can write for integration also. Next, as per you guys, one more is there, that is internet connection. Login as user A, navigate to amount transfer, enter valid from account number to account number, valid amount. Turn off internet connection. After entering everything valid, turn off. Click on transfer button. Error message will display. whatever message, your internet connection is poor or something. I am
Right.
not caring
Right.
that. I will
Right.
log in as user B and I will check. Sir,
Okay.
what is this probability, sir? You guys are seeing so many English movies where they will launch the nuclear bomb. Yes or no?
Yes,
Last
sir.
minute, they will turn off the power supply or they will turn off the satellite connection. Something they will do. It means the bomb will whatever discontinue or what we will call that particular word, disable or something we will do. You have seen some movies, no, this Fast and Furious or some movies, what they
Yes.
will do, or you take Iron Man movie or something, what they will do, they will change the satellite date, or they will change the satellite time, or they will do something, or they will turn off the internet. This is only they are doing because bomb once it is activated, done. So you need to have another plan to disable it. What is that? That is what I'm doing now. Internet connection for software. Obviously, internet is main thing. I will turn off the internet and I try to transfer. It means one of the hacker is trying to send a money that my company, my bank got to know that. Okay, huge amount, huge amount. He already what is done is tracked, or he got some details of login details or something for the main account. Let us check Narendra Modi account only he got, or Indian Reserve Bank account he got, RBI. It means all money is there only. So when you want to transfer that, what I will do, I will turn off the server only. Server is not working means amount can be transferred.
No.
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 But I don't know until unless I will test, no. So I
Test it.
turn off the internet and I will transfer the amount. If the
Hmm.
amount is transferred, then it is negative. This is defect, not negative. Okay.
Negative. It's a
Amount
defect.
should not transfer.
Hmm.
Okay. I am telling proper amount balance is displayed means I am mentioning here 0.
Yeah.
And proper amount balance is displayed means I'm mentioning 20,000. It means I'm guiding you that it should not be 19,000, no, or it should not be 1,000, no, because transaction is not happening. If it is not happening, then I can tell my testing is fine. My negative testing is pass.
Right.
So if my negative testing is fail means this is a defect. Fail means what? Instead of 0, 1,000 it is displaying. Software should not work according to your negative scenarios. Software should work according to your positive scenarios. That is my conclusion. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yep.
Yes. Now write down these 3 negative. First you write down this one. First negative scenario, you write down this one. Amount transfer invalid. Okay. This one will be first. Okay. This one will
Yes.
be first. And write down, leave some space. Okay. I entered invalid to account number. You enter invalid amount. Okay. And I went for amount balance. You can go for transactions also. You guys got the difference, right? Dependency modules you understood. You
Yeah.
can write n number of negative scenarios now.
Yeah.
Next, login as user A. Navigate to amount transfer. Enter valid from account number and to account number of user C. But what you are doing, you are going and checking in a user B. You check in user B. 1 or 2 accounts is enough. User B and user D enough. No need of checking 100 users. Got it?
Yeah.
1 or
Yeah.
2 you check. If it is not happening, then it will not happen anywhere, anyhow.
Right. Right.
Okay. So you can write many, no? Many negative, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
But understand and write, okay? Understand
Yeah.
Yes,
and
sir.
write.
Yes, sir. Sir, other applications of integration testing can they be like the gaming web pages? Like I'm
As-
thinking like apart from banking, where will
Hmm.
integration testing be used?
Everywhere. Data is transferred means integration.
Okay, it is not only in terms of numbers, right, sir? Or is it only
No,
numbers?
money is a data. I mentioned no. Here
Uh-huh.
only data. See here,
Uh-huh. Yeah.
data. This is data. Anything data. Anything
Okay.
which occupies the memory allocation is called as data.
Data. Okay.
Your software don't know that this is the money. It is
Okay.
taking it as a memory allocation.
Yeah.
To account number is also a memory allocation.
Yeah.
From account number is also a memory allocation.
Yeah.
Username also a memory allocation. Password is a memory allocation. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm. Guys, whatever I'm teaching, I know that you guys are understanding.
Yes, sir.
So understanding will not make any sense unless you know the concept.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. It
Yes.
means knowing the concept is different. Performing the same concept is different.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to perform means you should study by yourself more. You should take that time. You should
Mm-hmm.
have your own time to understand, analyze. You should ask me many doubts actually, but I am
Mm-hmm.
not getting any doubts from your side. It means you are not studying. That's it. Because I guided more than or at least take around 600 students I guided. No need of thousands of students. At least 600 students. No, I was getting a doubt. At least some 400 students from another 200 leave. Too much genius. I don't want this. You should belongs to this category. At least ask one question. No, one or two questions. Whatever homework you are not able to do or doing wrong is okay, but not every time. So if you are not understanding, you guys do presentation, discuss with you,
Yeah.
or ask me
Yes,
question
sir.
in a group or something you plan. Learn. I am telling
Yes,
you,
Yeah.
sir.
learn.
That's
Somewhat
what
you need to
we
learn.
did today.
So today you are planning for presentation.
We did. We had
No,
a
I.
call earlier,
Okay.
and we both has some homework done. If you have time, you can look into that.
Okay.
Yes,
I
sir.
think you shared some document, no? There only.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Um,
Okay. Then I will
we
check
I
in my free time.
we actually had this sir meeting on Google Meet today.
Okay. Anything is
So
fine.
yeah.
we are
Okay. So
exploring. Yeah.
Yeah.
good. So that is what I required. I need
Yeah.
actually. Your involvement is more important. See, teaching
Yeah.
you can learn in YouTube, guys. I'm
Yeah.
not telling that you need to come for my class. There are some
Yeah.
good YouTubers where they will teach beautifully. But
Mm-hmm.
the thing is, YouTube is free and
Mm.
people will not afford free things.
Yeah.
If you pay
True.
something, no, you will be getting some responsibilities.
True.
So I am just telling you, these responsibilities don't forget to follow.
Mm.
Okay.
Mm.
True.
So this is done now.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's done. Yeah.
Okay. Then what I'll do in the next class, you
Yes, sir.
guys should cover me So 4 positive means 4 positive is done. So there is no other part is positive things. Negative, I think I have covered few things. I have given you idea. Try to cover another 5 negative scenarios by yourself. Okay.
Okay.
Try to
Okay.
cover
On this topic, sir?
yeah, on this topic. So tomorrow I will take one more example. That time you will understand data means what
Okay, sir.
completely. Do you have any doubts
Okay.
while doing functional testing, guys? This is my question. Functional testing, you have any doubts?
Sir, I have written few of the doubts in my
Okay.
assignment, sir. So you will see that I have made an asterisk and some notes for you.
Okay.
So you will find my doubts. If possible, you can answer me there and again share it back, whatever works for you.
Okay. So what I'm thinking is you should not have any doubts because you are going to the company to work. That time, no questions should be asked or no question should be resolved in front of your teams.
Okay.
So that should be clearly, I'm clearing here itself. This much depth nobody will do, guys. I will tell. If you check in YouTube, 1 or 2 positive scenarios done. Go for system testing, 1 or 2 positive scenarios done. I'm taking some depth concepts because you are going to work. You are not a fresher. Based on my knowledge, you will go and you will work in a company. Half knowledge kills, no?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
definitely.
Yeah. So half knowledge, I don't want you to go
Sir,
with.
I actually want to touch base with you regarding structured query language, SQL. So,
SQL. Okay.
yes, sir. So, because we should have the knowledge of SQL, sir. So, like, should we be right now at this point? Should we be just doing SQL on YouTube, or you will also have some classes of SQL with us?
No SQL. SQL is different. This is a query
Okay.
language, no?
Yes,
Query
sir.
is different, but I know the concept.
Yeah.
I don't know the way to teach like this. I know few queries, how to fetch or how to insert the data, retrieve the data.
Yeah.
These things I know. Or
So-
combining the tables.
So
That I know.
SQL is not part of the manual testing, sir?
No, part.
Okay.
SQL is different, but I will suggest you that instead of wasting your time by taking the course, somewhat you are learning manual testing, go as a manual test engineer. You just learn from YouTube. One hour you learn. It is very easy, guys. It's very not like a tough, very easy language. Very easy. You can aram understand. Around 30 hours or 50 hours you can spend. No, you will understand. Okay.
Sir, where do we use SQL in manual testing? Like,
no, we will not use actually. Okay. There will be something called as backend validation. It means from account number to account number is there, no? So,
yes.
Shall I remove this? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there will be a table. Okay. Okay. So let me tell from account number, okay, to account number, or from account number, let me take not to account number. Okay, 1 second. From account number, amount, okay, OD, loans, like this, some columns will be there. Okay. So user A will be here. User B will be here. User C will be here. Okay. So if you want to access to any account, you should be having a some restriction over here. It means access to the database. Access to database means username and password is the access to the database. Okay. If you enter valid username, valid password, the controller will go and it will speak with your database. Hey, I got some username and password, whether it is valid or not, check. If it is valid, it will give you access for the tables. If you want to check the balance, amount balance, if you click no, some request will go to user A account. Whatever the amount balance which is present inside this box, the data, that data it will fetch and it will show to you.
Okay.
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 So how much loans you have, if you want to check the loans, it will go and it will fetch and it will show. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
Yeah.
that is user A's data. Next user B's data again in the same manner. Okay. It is like a library, guys. Okay. Some action movies you want, action movies folder is there. Like Netflix, you take something romantic movies. If you click on romantic movies, there will be romantic movies of A, B, C, D, like that. Okay. Orderly arranging of the data will be present. Okay. In an organized manner. What is the guarantee that the developer written the code from account number is going and storing in from account number only, to account number only? Understood? Loans only
Yes, sir.
present here.
Yes,
What
sir.
is the guarantee?
Yeah.
So what I'll do, I will do some queries. Select
Okay.
star. Select star means select the table. Which table? Oh, no. Select star means select the values from. This is account. The table names will be there. There are multiple tables, guys. Not only one table, there will be multiple tables. So this table name, let me take amount or account. Account. Okay. Always from field will work first. So from account means it will select this account complete table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Select star means in this table, select
All
all
the
the
values.
values. Okay.
Yeah.
Where, okay,
Yes.
Yes.
name is equal to user A,
Okay.
end with semicolon. If I do that, user A account balance you show me. It means from account number, how much amount you have, OD balance you have, all this data you will get in a table form.
Table form.
One by one, you will get all these transaction details or something.
Yeah.
If I get user A's, then I can tell the data which is I entered while doing sign up is going and storing in a proper backend. Got it? What
Yes.
I have done, this table will be developed by the developers. Okay.
Yeah.
Some logics will be there. JDBC, Hibernate, something and all will be there. They will use that and they will write the code. They will develop the data and they will already written the code to store the data from the front end to the back end. Back end means your database. Where you entered, that will go and store.
Yes.
What is the guarantee it is storing in a proper way?
Oh.
In front end, I am doing some testing. See,
Okay.
I checked for user A balance. I am getting 5,000 instead of 10,000.
Okay.
It is nothing but some data I am receiving means something happened in the back end where it is fetching the data of some other user instead of the user A. So developer will fix the defect. That is only I'm telling.
Okay, sir.
Okay. That is what you will, all the things regarding the backend will be called as database, or that will be handled by your SQL.
SQL. Got it, sir.
Okay.
That's it.
And that's not part of the manual testing.
No,
right? That's what
manual
you're saying.
testing is front end testing.
Yeah.
Okay. Back end testing will be SQL.
Okay.
Manual testing also front end. Automation testing is also front end.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Good to know.
So back end will be SQL. This is
And
how it
front
will be
is
there.
manual and automation.
Yes, yes, yes. So this and all you can learn. I can suggest you a class or something in